Hey everybody, just wanted to give you a quick garden update for this year. Working outside. It's a beautiful day in March here in Zone 6. So I wanted to show you what's growing for us right now. This is one bed that I have garlic planted in, and you can see it is popping up through all of the straw. I usually let leaves in my garden until it's time for us to till everything up. That way it acts as a barrier for those perennial herbs and some of the onions that are starting to pop up, and I'll show you. Right here we have some onion shoots here, there, over there, and then right there's another one. These were red onions. And in this pile here, if I dig down underneath, I made a stupid mistake of planting catnip directly in my garden, and this is the result. And this is going to be something that's going to probably haunt me for decades. This is one strawberry bed, and they have all come back up, so we should have a good harvest of strawberries. I have overwintered Brussels sprouts, and I think these are just going to go to seed. Yeah. And if it does, that's okay. We'll just harvest the seeds from them. But they made it through the winter, through the sub-zero freezing and all the snow that we got this winter. And they're still green and they are growing. But like if you see down in here, you can see like the little tiny shoots that are wanting to start. I just don't know if they're going to mature between now and the time that this actual plant starts to bolt. So the heat might get it, so we'll see. To our garden, we're putting in raised beds. That way we can keep our herbs all in one place and then have one designated bed for salad greens and our cooler weather crops that we can cover with plastic. Before we start filling our beds with soil and mulch and compost, we're going to be installing some cattle panel trellises in between each of the raised beds. That way that will give us more vertical space to garden and we can grow more things. As we fill our raised beds that we purchased, we are filling the bottom with cardboard. That way it will prevent grass and weeds from coming up from the bottom. And we will remove any packaging tape or anything from the other side. Lay this down as a base layer.